Alright, so we are here. Let's open side by side to facilitate life for us. Here, control. Okay, this one is okay. Good. So we are still having challenge here with our navigation for a mobile view, which is here, this div here. So let's comment this one out to make it very normal. Let's say a mobile navigation like this. So let me just comment this one here, and then let's say it ends only down here, so that you guys may not complicate. End here, and mobile navigation. So here we are getting this one, and yesterday we say we are going to put some other stuff. Let me push this one into iPhone or other smartphone, which is okay. Here I'm gonna use iPhone XR is okay, and 100 comes like this, everyone can see very well. So what's the next things here? We have put this click just to test whether it's working or not. Yesterday it was throwing error for no reason. So here we go. We have this one here. Let's say on top here, instead of putting this one, we are going to have one div with icons, with two icons, so that we can run it under conditions. So let's say here div, this div here like this, it will carry two different icon based on the condition, and we will try to see. We put this one just here to test whether it's okay. We'll just use this div here, no need to go for that one here. So let's first try to get some icon here, two icons, one can open for us, one can close, by going to React icons. I think I've shared the link last time in the group already. So React icons, then by going to, let's take the close, let's check the close one, which one is that good for us. This duck, I'm going to take this X here and just copy this up to here. After I copy, I have to just go up here and paste it there. That's the first step you can do. The second step, I have to bring the last open. Let's take this one like hamburger. Let's just take menus. Okay, menu, but let's see the one which is at least good, like this one. Copy this one and then paste it on top here. So now I have two different components. Then I have to take the two components from here, take them back to my div here, and then where is my div? I'm going to put them here where there is icons and paste them here. First of all, I have to style it out by adding a normal class there. Alt, press on this one, cn, add the class name. Let's say first of all it's going to be white. They can take text property, okay, of white. After white, if I want to change the font, whatever, leave that on there. First of all, we are going to add the size. By the way, the size will be 35, like what we do with others there, 35. And then by just going here, you can be able to see two of them, but maybe you can increase from 35 to something because they look still smaller. I can just press on my alt here, I can rename this one or re-edit this one to 40. Yeah, this one is okay for me, but I have to put them based on the condition. The first condition is going to be here within. We are going to say, okay, if there is open, okay, is it open? When it is open, then I have to pass this ternary operation. The first thing I have to do, either I pass calibrate parenthesis, then if not, I have to pass another one within this parenthesis. Then I have to do like this. The first one, we want to by default to see what I want to see, that when it is open, I want to see the close. Let's pass this close there. Here, feel free to mix it, and then you will also get it more better. And the next thing, I need this medium here. I can take this one here and pass it here. And now if I save this one like this, I can see here by default nothing is shown because it's off. Okay, nothing is clicking. I will find the way how we can play that one around. First of all, we want to see this one. Let's say to test it out. Let's say this one is equal to true. Let's see whether it will make sense. If I do like this, true, see this one is on, then I can click on that one to close it. So we need to first find the way how we can auto switch it on off on off on off just by clicking this picture to keep on changing. Okay, so let's return this one to false and find the way how we can put that function in a very nice way. So when we say it's on, we have this set open. We're going to see something about it. We are going back here. We say okay, if it is on, let this one show this one, if not that one. It will be on one way. Is either we can make a function up here, okay, that can trigger all of them by say const switch menu, let's call it like this, or we can just say switch on off, switch on off, something just like this. That can make difference. Feel free to name your variable or a function in a very nice way. If it is on, we are going to return something here, then we are going to do something like this. First set this one into previous. We get this one has this parameter for pref stand for previous, then we just want to return it back pref like this. This will make it on off on off on off on off when we keep on clicking on this one. Then when we take this one like this and try to pass it on click, first of all we have let's go first of all here, mobile view. Okay, here instead of rendering this one, first of all let's test it with the help of on click. Okay, let's say we'll pass on click here. By the way, this diff, first of all let's test it with this diff. Let's see what will happen. And in this diff we are going to do some bg to just prove like we are inside it. Bg white gray dash 100 to be somehow, let's see. Okay, it's going to be 50, not 100, 50 like this. It sounds very white. Maybe I have to pass 500. Okay, it's somehow fair. Then I want to make it rounded or dash full, rounded full like this. Good, but normally it has to correspond to blue, not gray. Let's go with the blue because our color is blue, but lighter blue. Let's see, 500, that one is okay, let's push to 7. Okay, something like this. Okay, so let's test it with this diff. What will happen like if you keep on clicking? Okay, just for experience, let's say on click. First of all, on click, we are going to set we are going to call that function called switch on off. Let's see what will happen if you click this one, on off. You see, have you seen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we can now try to do something about it. On off. Let's first of all try to do something about this one here, this navigation which is showing down here, so that we can know exactly what's going on. So we have this navigation. It's showing just down, that's why it's making this one very big. Let's say if it is open, show only this one. It's true, that open is true, it show. When we click on this one, it set it to off and it clean it out. So let's say here we have this one here, li, and then it has a background of gray. Okay, then let's make it absolute first of all, so that we can push it the way we want it to push. Let's say absolute, then we can say top. Top should be 8. Let's see, 8 to down will take us where? Okay, at least it's coming, but you cannot take it 8. Let's take it 16. Let's see, 16. It's somehow down. You guys are seeing, right, the changes? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this one is somehow coming. Next thing will be, if I click on here on this, next take me to that one, because I just wanted to go to what, to 2 directory, right? So I'm going to have the two properties, by the way. Here the two properties is going to take okay, it's going to be normal. We have item, first of all, item dot to property 2, like this. But first make sure you verify a local database, otherwise we'll mess up with some other stuff here. Let's say the two properties, okay, it has to move with some /. So for that case we first try, because when you try you will know whether it's working or. So we have to click on two property, and then next thing we have to do, we have to set that one to false. So let's first of all try to see here. Click on about us, take us to about us, you see. But in about us we are supposed to see a component. Let's see, maybe blog. Okay, it's taking us about blog. There is something happening there which is not good. So we have contact, taking us to about contact, something like this. So we need to set something to false after we click. Okay, so let's design this and then we come back to that one. This one is having a background gray, and then let's try to take it. First of all, if you guys want to take it half of the screen like the others, like once you click like this, it open up to here, and then doesn't go full, no issue. You can calculate that one in pixels. Assuming I will add some width here, I can use the custom class by saying width dash, let me say 500 pixels, no, 400 px, and then close. First of all, let me see where will this one take us. It's taking us opposite. Okay, what will happen if we add here just full? Oh, because we add the property of top and down, so we have to do something about left and right. So here from top it's going to be 16, then from left let us pass it to 0. First of all, left will be 0, so that they can be there. By saying width or full can take us there. If I say width or custom number, I want to pass it in pixels, like 300 example, like this, it's gonna work, you see, to just open for me one side. But if I want to push from that one, then I have just, instead of left, I just change this one to right. Okay, feel free to rotate the way you want. Push that one to right, you see, I can get them here already. Are you guys seeing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so it depends on you, but many people prefer to just take the whole screen, that's them. And then the height also depend on you. The height we are going to calculate according to the header we have here. So if you see the value of the header, first of all, the header all in total here is coming from up here. It has a height of 16. That 16 is correspond to 64 pixels or 4 RAM. So we are going to use 4 RAM. Okay, that means in our home page, we'll just go first of all to our home page there. Home page here, home page. Isaac, when it reach 30 minutes, let me know so that the video will be easy to upload. Okay, we have contact us, blog, home, this one, the home here. The first one here have the image. You can read the image, you can see home, project, image, everything. So if you want to add that one, we're going to add the width to this one, width, pass this one as a custom. You can pass this calc here as a function. You can say 100 vh minus 4 RAM, like this. There I can save it, and then try to hover on it. Is a custom class, it doesn't define anything. So let's see whether it's gonna work or not. That navigation, we'll come back to that one. Let's make Ctrl plus B, Ctrl Shift, and then we go. Let's cross. Okay, our home page seems to be responding to height. Okay. Wait, we have home page. First of all, let's just stop this one up to here. Control X, save it back, and let's see what will happen here. Refresh. Oh, we're in about, sorry. We're supposed to be here. That's about, that's here. In here, let's make Control plus Z to return everything back and see the size. If calc is equal to 4 ramp width, let's see here. Okay, let's try to see the height from the home page, from the mobile view. Let's say instead of adding that one there, where is one navigation here? So the navigation from logo to mobile view here, I have a random blue on click, switch on off, and then this one here. Okay, the background color goes down here. So here I have width of 700 pixels. Let's take the height. The height is h only by passing full, which is equivalent to 100% like this. We pass this like this. It takes everything. Okay, and then we have trouble here with this one. We can fix it first of all. See here, height is 100% or only for mobile view. Okay, good. So we have Control Shift plus I. Okay, instead of passing this full, let's try to calculate here. Let's say here we will pass our square bracket as a custom. Then we can say calculate as calc is a function. We say 100 VH, okay, minus 4 RAM of the screen. This one is not working, there is error there. Okay, calc with height. Sometimes the space also can cause us some problem. You see, just the space can cause any problem. Just try to adjust that on there, so we can find out it's going to get exactly the size we want, but minus only 4 RAM from the screen there. So here we are okay, we can see everything. So when we click on contact like this, let it take us to contact. It's now functioning. This is contact. Now what will happen if I click on block? The process keep on taking us contact slash block. You see, we don't want such repetition there. Let's say when we click on the home like this or contact us like this, let it set it off and then make it false. Okay, instead of making everything true. Like here, click on contact, it's supposed, it's doing good, but let's just try to add there and see whether it will do like that. So here, instead of this one, let's try to have this one here. One more, const set off open nav. Name your function very well. When this one is fired, then we can say set open to false. Then let's take this one and pass it here as on click. When we click on the link, it will take us there. And then next it will no, let it be here on link on click property. Then we pass this one here, and let's get back and see. All of them are like this, you see. let's click on about. Okay, let's try to contact. There's one thing happening, is taking us from contact to another contact to another contact. Let's see what could be the problem. First of all, start from the white screen here. Go back to your home page. Yeah, click on blog, takes you to blog content. Click on about us, takes you back to about us without any consequence. You see? So if there is a problem, it might link to the way how we pass our this one here to property. So let's get it from the first one, from the links that we have here. Oh, this one is even wrong. This is the first mobile view. Take it from the last desktop view. Sorry, here is going to be desktop view. Then in the desktop view is the same thing. We pass here item.to property after we pass slash. Good. The same thing we have here also. Item. You see here we did not pass the slash. If you can see here, have slash and then you can forward it. So that's the first error. Make sure you press on your alt and then 7 here to get that backtick symbol. After that you can pass, first of all go to forward slash, then add the dollar symbol. After dollar, add another curly brace, then come and close this curly brace back here to avoid the error. Then save that one. Now let's see, open this one, click on blog. You see, now take us to blog content. Now from blog content, take us to contact, take us back to contact without any error. Anyone have problem? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay, so next thing we are going
No, sir.
Thank you. Let's try to start this one, then we move down and see next. Let's close it. Close on that one. It's okay. We have the first of all, the color is supposed to something to do with the blue, but not equivalent to the header that we have there. So we have blue up there. Let's see, blue here, gray of 200. Let's turn this one into blue, but 600. How will this one looks like? This one is too much. Let it be 500. No different. Okay, 400 at least, but feel free to change your color. Okay, so that's the first thing, but you can see there is some challenge, like it doesn't goes on image. Let's say because we have the absolute position, we have to define the since we have the absolute here, we need to define the relative, so that doesn't go out of that one. The relative must be equal to, let's see which diff is coming after this one. Okay, here it's this one. Let's see the end of it here. It's mobile view. Add this one to the class of relative here, relative, like this, so that it can be within that one. Then if the mobile view for that one, no, because that one has gone the margin. Okay, it pushed this one down. Okay, remove this one, let it be absolute, it will be free also, like this. Okay, like this. Next, let's try first of all to work on the items here, which is the li here. So the li, we have those one. Let's see, are we giving them some font size, that is cm text dash of 2xl. Let's see, they look somehow good. I have to give some margin top and bottom, or just margin in general. I can say margin of 4 to all of them, like this, and then I can turn them, the first letter into capital all. Okay, by saying uppercase, we turn them all into capital. Let's see, it will look good for us. not bad. And then we have to make them white, text dash white, like this. They come in white, but now you see there are not many, and then you can see them there are just 1 2 3 4. Sometimes it will do good maybe if you can make it very short. Okay, your homepage very this one very short only, or you just want to fill this space, because here we are supposed to have so many navigation, a lot of things will follow here. Okay, let's try to shorten it, but you guys get the idea. And then let's see why this image seems to be they appear here on this one, or why all the images are up. Okay, let's say the background also, not only for this one, but let's add it to what we have up here as a mobile view. That's it there, like this. It goes even up to up there. Okay, sorry, remove this one out, leave that one for condition only, like this. Someone wanna ask question? Hello?
No, sir. 30 minutes. It's already 30 minutes.
Oh, let me first stop the first recording. Okay, that's good. Yes, 26.